Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create and use Teams in HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. Teams are extremely helpful when your organization has multiple departments or groups working inside HubSpot. They make it easier to organize users, assign leads, control permissions, and keep all your CRM data structured. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Log In, and sign into your account. Once your main dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by clicking the settings icon in the top right corner. On the left sidebar, go to Users and Teams. This page shows all users in your HubSpot account and the teams they belong to. To create a new team, open the Teams tab and click the Create Team button. Give your team a clear name, like Sales Team, Customer Success, Marketing, Finance, or Operations. You can also create sub-teams if your organization needs more structure. Next, add users to the team. Select the members you want to include and assign a team manager if needed. Managers get additional visibility and can oversee team reporting and assignments. Once your team is created, you can edit their permissions. HubSpot lets you control which data your team can view, edit, or delete. You can also restrict access, so team members only see records owned by their team. Teams are also really powerful when you're assigning work. You can rotate leads to different teams, assign deals based on teams, and use team filters when managing pipelines. Teams also show up inside reporting dashboards, so you can track performance by department, like how many deals the sales team closed or how many tickets the support team resolved. And inside workflows, you can use Teams to automate task assignments, lead rotation, and follow-up actions. This keeps your CRM organized and ensures the right people handle the right work automatically. And that's it. That's how to create and use Teams in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once your teams are properly set up, your CRM becomes cleaner, easier to manage, and much more efficient for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.